And here we go. Another day, another courtroom showdown. Rent disputes hit hard because this is about someone's roof over their head.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. David Fanter on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Michael Bailey.
Your Honor, when we were here a couple of weeks ago, Mr. Bailey and I agreed that he would make a payment between then and now. And if he did, I would give him a payment plan. He hasn't done that. His balance just keeps getting bigger. So I would ask for a 10-day.
Promises were made but not kept. In landlord-tenant court, credibility is everything.
For a judgment that requires him to pay his entire balance within 10 days. I can't in good conscience give him a payment plan when he hasn't even been able to make any payments.
Can I speak?
Yeah.
Your Honor, I was behind 2 months trying to find a job. I got 189 applied applications on Indeed. I just found three jobs since I came to court. And what I did is
889 applications. That's the grind of survival. But sympathy doesn't pay rent.
I had $800. The time that I did come before that, I paid the $800. And then right now, I said I would be able to pay the $400, but I still have to wait 2 weeks before I can get another payment. If all I need is just a little time,
Oh, hold on. Was there an $800 payment made?
I have the receipt in my phone.
That 800 was before our
Was
break.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. And so that was taken into account in the number that.
Yes.
So what I was honestly,
He paid it on the 8th, Your Honor.
On the 8th. Okay. All right. Gotcha. Okay.
really, I'm not trying to give no excuses. I'm just going through a hard time. I've been homeless before for 2 years straight. This is my first time having my own apartment again. So I'm just trying to make things right. Like, I don't have no excuse or anything. I'm just really honest. I could show you right now I'm working and everything.
But hold on. I have, my note indicates that he was going to pay. Do you have the 400?
So like right now when I get paid, I'm only going to have like maybe $200 and the rest goes to child support. All I really, I just need some time.
Child support comes first by law. That leaves rent hanging, and that's the trap many tenants face.
Really a good month, and I can get that balance paid. I just need to work. I have to put in hours in order to get the money.
But, okay. But understand what Mr. Fantera was indicating, that if there was a payment that was made, he'd give you a payment plan.
Right.
So really what he was saying, and it happens a great deal, is he was just asking you to show some good faith of something, and then they were willing to work with you.
Yeah.
But that hasn't happened.
I just need time just to show. I can show the course, man. Like, I'm not perfect. I'm just trying to be human. Like,
no, I hear you, but I can't.
And I got proof that I'm in working and stuff and everything. Like right now, I just need like a good 2 weeks, maybe be able to make at least an $800 payment plus. I got
But hold on. I was at, what's the current balance?
The current balance is $2,030. His rent is $890. So if I were to have done a payment plan, I would probably say by the day his rent's due, which is the 5th. I mean, it's due on the 1st, but no late fee till the 5th. Right. I would ask him to pay his rent plus about $400. He's indicating that all he can pay is within a couple of weeks, okay, pay $800, which would put nothing towards this balance. It wouldn't even cover really September's rent. We adjourned this because I really wanted to work with them.
No, I know.
There's not much I can do today.
Anything else you want to tell me?
I'm not sure I can do it.
I mean, I don't want to do it that way, but here's the thing. And the attorneys that appear before me know it, that I want them to try to give people opportunities to get themselves caught up. Mr. Fantera gave you that by indicating that you had to do something.
It's like even still, then I still wouldn't be able to make a payment until around 4 o'clock, because that's when my direct
I know, but we could fashion something that would deal with when you get paid. But you're indicating that you can't pay the 400,
today. Yeah.
and that's the problem.
Or even if I pay 200, it's still one.
There has to be a little bit more good faith in that, because here's what happened: you pay the 200.
The key word here, good faith. Judges expect at least a small effort. No payment, big red flag.
800 and something's going to click in on Monday.
Yeah, that's going to get paid.
What?
Will be paid.
What do you mean it will?
Because I have family that's going to help me with what they're helping me too. So I'll be able to make a pay. Basically, when rent's due, I'll be able to pay the 800.
Hold on. Let me stop you. You need to tell me exactly what you're going to do.
Okay. So today would be my payday. So 2 weeks from now, I would be receiving $1,000. Outside of that, I have $890 from a family member who's going to help me.
You have what?
A family member who's going to help me with the rent for the $890 for next month. So basically, I'll be able to pay the $1,000 in 2 weeks.
Your Honor, can I make a suggestion? I think
Here's what I would do, and maybe this fits with your suggestion. If you're telling me that your family is going to pay your rent and you got 200, and that would be 1,000, but now we'll be up around 2,900 plus, but you're going to pay 1,000, then there's 1,900. And then in 2 weeks from that, you're going to pay another 1,000.
Yeah. I got no choice.
Well, I understand that, but and then
I was going to do a version of that, Your Honor, where we don't even include September, where we take his 200, the balance is 2,030.
Gotcha.
So he pays 200, his family pays 890, which they think is going towards September, but it's really going to go to the oldest balance. That's 1,090. Then he pays another 1,000 2 weeks after Monday. That pays off the judgment, and then we can worry about.
I got you.
Yeah,
I got you.
That's what.
Then we can worry about September. So if we want to, when would you be paying that 1,000? Give me a specific date.
What's the day? The 10th?
Today's the 29th.
29.
29th. So,
What day do you typically get paid?
well, I think they pull out the money on Wednesday or something like that. We
I
can
don't
pay.
know.
Well,
What Wednesday?
this past Wednesday.
Okay, so two weeks from this Wednesday?
Yeah. Would be
But they pull the money out, but you don't see it until Friday.
exactly.
So what is that? That'd be the 12th? Why don't we say the
If they
15th?
did it this past Wednesday, the 27th. 2 weeks out would then be the 10th. So it would be the 12th.
Why don't we go the 15th, just to give him a little bit of a chance to get it in the account and get it to us?
Okay, so what I'm going to do, Sarah, is I'm going to issue a judgment for possession, finding no tribal issue after a hearing.
That's the gavel drop. Judgment for possession. Landlord wins, eviction clock starts ticking.
So understand what I'm doing here. And is it the 2030 is the full amount, including costs?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
It's 1855 in rent, 175 in cost for a total of 2030. And I'm going to change the redemption date from September 8th to September 15th.
Sounds good. All right. So understand what's happening here.
Yes, sir.
And so the judgment that's being taken is only being taken for the month through August. Remember, another day, right? You've got to get August paid off by September 15th. Okay.
Mhm.
And then that way, and then you got to start figuring out what you're going to do
Yeah.
for the September rent, but we're not going to worry about that now.
I
Got
got it.
that?
Yes, sir.
I think that's the best way and the only way that you're going to be able to salvage your tenancy.
So what do you normally pay online?
Oh, yeah. On the app.
Right, so when your relatives give you that 890, then you'll take the 200 from today, put that together, and you'll basically put in 1,090 by Monday or Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for working with me on it.
All right. First case, Mrs. Haverkamp versus Alexander Jackson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. David Fanter on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Alexander Jackson.
Mr. Jackson and I, he made the payment he said he would make, so he has a balance of 905, and we've signed a consent judgment giving him till September 20th to pay that amount.
That acceptable to you?
Yes, sir.
That sounds like that worked out. Okay, so you owe the 905, you gotta pay that by the 20th. Any questions you have regarding anything contained on this judgment?
No, sir.
All right.
And again, I want to point out, this does not include September, but I want to make sure he gets this paid, and then we'll worry about September later.
Figure out where we go from there. All right, so I'm going to sign this judgment. I do have to advise you, you're unrepresented by counsel. This is a consent judgment. You have 3 business days to think about this. If you believe that there's some legal reason, some confusion, or some right you didn't assert, you'd have to file a motion with the court within that time.
Okay.
Okay? Very good. Have a good holiday.
You too, sir.
Have a good weekend, Your Honor.
You do the same.
Although, may I approach real quick?
Yes. Court calls the case of Arbor Meadows versus Marilyn Pagel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Gabriel Lacey for Arbor Meadows.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello. What's your name?
Marilyn Hagel.
All right. Where are we on her case?
Thank you, Your Honor. We have had an opportunity to speak in the hallway, and we've entered into a consent judgment where the defendant will pay $200 every Friday until her arrears are paid in full starting September 5th. And then on the third Wednesday, she will be paying $1,200 from her Social Security. That's going to pretty much pay off the balance, so she'll be caught up on the third Wednesday of September.
Got it. So she's going to pay 200 every week.
Up until that.
And then
I have a hearing problem. So
Social Security payment comes, okay, it's the third one. She gets that payment. Got it.
I did advise her of her rights under MCR 4.201 subsection J.
All right. Bagel, is all of that correct?
I'm
You
sorry.
got to speak up, Your Honor. She's
I have a hearing problem.
Oh, let's get you. I want to make sure you hear us. We got great equipment here that'll help you.
Thank you.
Is that better?
Oh, yeah.
Told you it was good.
Yeah, I
All
can
right.
hear you now.
Okay, so the agreement is that the total judgment amount is $1,216.94. That you're going to pay starting the 5th of September. You're going to pay $200 every Friday,
Correct.
and then $1,200 on the third Wednesday of the month when your Social Security payment comes.
That's correct.
All right. Anything else about this judgment you don't understand, or
No,
any questions you have?
no,
All right. And I guess I always want to make sure when you pay the 1,200, is that gonna,
anything left over will be a credit on her account.
I got that, but I just want to make sure she's gonna be able to make it to the next check arrives.
Oh,
you do what you have to do.
What? Okay.
Yeah, I'll be
No,
fine.
I hear
No, I'll be
you.
fine.
Will you?
Mhm.
she does have a part-time job.
Yep.
That's how.
I know, but
No, I'll be fine. And I appreciate the concern.
okay. I'm gonna trust you. If you tell me you're gonna be okay, you'll be okay. All
Right.
And Miss Lacy did apprise you of your rights under 4.201.
She did.
All right, very good. And I will sign this consent judgment. Thank you very much for working it out.
Thank you for your time today.
All right. You take care.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that.